Clean codes are fabric-specific cleaning symbols that tell you exactly which cleaning method will protect upholstery while removing stains. Clean codes for upholstery fabric indicate 4 primary methods, and following them prevents damage and preserves fiber integrity. The first code, W, means you can use a water-based cleaner, mix a mild dish soap with warm water, test on an invisible seam, blot rather than rub, and work from the outside of the stain inward to avoid spreading. The S code means use a solvent-only cleaner such as dry cleaning solvent, ventilate the room, use a soft cloth, and apply solvent sparingly to avoid dissolving adhesives or finishes. S/W means either water or solvent is acceptable. Choose the gentler option first, usually the water-based approach, and escalate only if the stain resists treatment. X means professional cleaning only, which is common for delicate fibers, coated fabrics, or pieces with complex construction. So avoid DIY attempts and get a pros assessment to prevent shrinkage or backing damage. The most common mistakes are using water on a solvent-only fabric, which can cause dye bleed and distortion, so always identify the clean code and test in an inconspicuous spot before proceeding. Another frequent issue is aggressive scrubbing that frays fibers and enlarges the stain, so blot with controlled pressure and use gentle, circular lifts rather than back and forth motions. A third problem is applying household variants of commercial cleaners without dilution guidance, which can leave residues or remove fire retardants. Follow manufacturer dilution ratios or consult a professional for safe product selection. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work related to upholstery and many other home projects. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, ask questions, and compare experiences about fabric care and cleaning codes.